In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Acuity Scheduling on Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking experience that lets visitors reserve time with you right from your site. Start on your site dashboard. On the left pane, find and click Scheduling. This takes you straight into the Acuity Scheduling area that's built into Squarespace. Think of this as your control center for everything related to appointments. You'll see a guided setup that walks you through what you need, and you can follow it at your own pace. The setup begins by creating your appointment types. These are the services people can book, like a consultation, a coaching session, or a follow-up. Give each one a clear, descriptive name so visitors instantly understand what they're choosing. Set the duration so your calendar blocks the right amount of time, and add a concise description that explains what's included and how to prepare. If you charge for an appointment, include the price here so there are no surprises. You can also add helpful notes, like whether the session is online or in person, and any materials clients should bring. Keep things simple and consistent, and save each appointment type as you go. Next, set your availability. This is where you decide when clients can book you. Choose the days you're open and add the start and end times that reflect your actual working hours. If you need breaks, like lunch or a buffer between sessions, block those times so you're never double booked or rushed. Make sure your time zone is correct so clients see accurate options. As you adjust, glance at the preview so you can visualize how your week will look with real bookings. Finally, customize the design. Match the look of your scheduler to your brand so it feels seamless with the rest of your site. Tweak colors, fonts, and button styles to mirror your site's design. Keep contrast high for readability, and use consistent headings and labels. Preview the booking page to confirm it looks clean on both desktop and mobile. A tidy layout builds trust and helps visitors book with confidence. From here, simply click through the steps in the setup guide. It's a straightforward process, and you can always come back later to refine details as your services evolve. Give your booking page a quick test from a visitor's point of view to make sure everything flows. And there you go. That's all. You've set up Acuity Scheduling on Squarespace and are ready to start taking appointments.